Hello guys, today discuss about natural resources. Let's to be start video. According to natural resources expert, there are 1.3 billion barrels of oil available today, and according to the way we are using oil today, then in the coming 40 years, all these oil wells will be empty. All the wells reserves will be deleted. No oil will be left diesel due to which all the vehicle will stop running on the road. Now, if we share a small little about petrol with you, then the price of oil in India 1990 was 12 rupees. In 2003, it became a 25 in 2010. It was 47 rupees today. It's across the figure of 100%. That is, it's doubling every 10 years on the basis of petrol, and it's going to be a 200 per liter, 2200 per liter in the coming time. Are growing so fast. Have you ever thought that how will be petrol come out of the earth? How will petrol diesel be made from crude oil coming out of the earth? And why is petrol and diesel become so expensive? In today's video, I will be tell about this. You just stay connected with us till the end of the video. So let's start the video, friends. Iron on today's and time and currently like Saudi Arabia are rich because most of the oil resources in the world are with these countries only. The Arabian countries have a second which is called PACO, and this is the same country which also decide the price of petrol, oil, diesel, etc. Petrol becomes expensive only because of the process of extraction. Now friends, if you are thinking that the oil company takes the oil out of the ground and reaches us directly, then it is not so at all. In fact, petrol and diesel gives underground. It is found in the form of gas and liquid which we call petroleum. And both these fuels are made from petroleum. Petroleum means oil made from rocks. In fact, at the early times, animals and trees used to be planted. They got burned under the ground due to under earthquake and decompose and convert into petroleum. Now after this, humans started extracting petroleum by drilling and big drilling machines, and this petroleum contains crude oil. Only then they are sent to the factory. By the way, the crude oil is found in the both land and sea. To make the oil that is in the sea, a floating refinery is made, and well are to extract oil that is in the ground. Let us tell you that the oil in the ground, finding oil is also not easy. In fact, it's taken many years to find it, and its cost it's also in crores, and that's why there are very few companies in India that reduce the extraction of oil, which now reaches you. Many big companies are engaging extracting oil at different places. Now, low oil is found. Then after that, the drilling machine is closed with heavy rocks so that it it later it can later taking its only by drilling. Now after this drilling, it's done 3,000 of feet below in the sea. On getting bubbles, it is pulled through the pump and taken to the refinery. In the refinery, the crude oil is heated in large cylinder and then separated. Different things present in crude oil are taken out at different temperature. Now it's naturally petrol and diesel are different meats on a temperature, and that's why it's heated at a different temperature. Now as water has 100-degree burning points. Similarly, crude oil also has boiling point. Can you understand? It's like this: to get diesel, crude oil has to be boiled up to 260 degrees, and for petrol the oil has boiled up to 240 degrees. You know very well how petrol and diesel are made, but after it's made, testing is done on its, and it's seen that petrol how much octane it's it. Like the higher the octane number of the oil, the more expensive and good the oil will be considered. After testing in, it is transported somewhere by filling in the trucks, and then somewhere this petrol reaches us. Now friends, why is petrol so expensive? The first reason, it's that you must have come to know that how expensive in the process of extracting it. The price of oil also varies from country to country, where there are more reservation then this oil is so cheap in this country. Where there is no oil love, the process of oil destinations will become more expensive, and on the top of the in countries like India and state and central government together impose 70% tax. It seems that's now petroleum is a non-renewable resources. That's it is the getting depleted from the earth. Now as it's get depleted from the earth, it will become more expensive. By the way, friends, what do you have to stay on this? Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to channel.